Live by Human Design. How to read your human design chart. Your human design chart is made up of three distinct parts: the birth chart, the body graph, and the overview, which is also known as the keynotes in some programs. The birth chart is made up of two columns of numbers with planetary symbols between them. The black column represents the planet's placement at the time of your birth. The red column represents the planets at a point 90 days before your birth or 88 astrological degrees before your birth. This is the date that we say your soul came to be in your body. Now, the planetary symbols running down the center between these two columns of numbers are, from the top, the sun, the earth, the moon, the north node, also called destiny, the south node, also called your karma, then Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. The overview is the part of your human design chart that shows the heart of your human design. It shows you your type, your life theme, your strategy, your profile and incarnation cross, what your definition is, and your authority. The body graph is made up of 9 energy centers that resemble chakras, 32 channels that run between the energy centers, and 64 gates, which are the numbered areas within each one of the centers. You may have noticed that some of the centers in the body graph are colored in and some are white. The white centers are open or undefined and are places where we absorb the energy from around us, amplify it, and rebroadcast it as if it were our own energy. It is through these open or undefined centers that we are meant to be wise about whose energy we are actually expressing. Is it our own and authentic to us, or is it somebody else's and something that we've picked up from in our environment? The centers in the body graph that are colored in are called defined. Through these centers, we are broadcasting energy that is authentic to us. We must learn how to use the energy in these centers to our benefit. The channels and gates. The 32 channels connect the energy centers together. Channels become defined or colored in when there is a planet sitting at the gate at each end of it. A channel that is partially filled by one gate at either end is called a hanging gate. And a hanging gate is where we are electromagnetically attracted to someone with the opposite gate in their design. The gates. Gates are defined when a planet is sitting at it from either birth or from your design, which is the black column or the red column on the birth chart. In the example in this photo, the sun is sitting at gate 4. This is an example of a hanging gate because there is not a planet at the opposite end, which is gate 63. Thank you for taking the time to view this short introduction to how to read your human design chart. As you can guess, human design is complex with lots of information about you. Only with a human design reading can you fully understand your type, strategy, life theme, and personality traits that are authentic to you. If you desire a full reading, you can follow the link below to my website and schedule your reading there. Thank you again.